New York City has thousands of miles of underground water mains. Our city relies on this infrastructure for the water we drink, bathe, and clean with, use to fight fires, and much, much more. This vital network is essential for a healthy, resilient city. Water mains need to be upgraded as they age to provide an adequate supply to a growing area and to improve the distribution system to ensure water is available for residents and businesses. Upgrades to this system also help prevent disruptive water main breaks. New types of pipes are more resistant to cracks and breaks. The New York City Department of Design and Construction installs, repairs, and replaces water mains across the city. We partner with the New York City Department of Environmental Protection, the city agency responsible for protecting and improving our city's water supply. When construction is in your neighborhood, your contact is the local Community Construction Liaison, or CCL. CCLs keep everyone informed, answer questions, and help with special requests. The construction work on the ground is done by a contractor that DDC manages. Contractors are responsible for day-to-day activities at construction sites. Utility companies often need to move their lines in order for work to be completed. Improved coordination at this stage is working to minimize delays. As work progresses, including the removal of old pipes, a temporary and targeted water shutdown will be necessary. The water will be turned back on at the end of each workday. DDC provides printed notices to all impacted homes and businesses and ensures a point of contact, usually the CCL. The CCL will tell you everything you need to know, including turning off your main water valve before work begins and flushing the plumbing when work is complete. Coordination with other city agencies ensures that essential services are maintained. New water mains are cut to size, rinsed, scrubbed, and protected. The diameter of water mains can be as large as 6 feet across. Others are much smaller. Larger water mains are made from steel, and smaller ones are ductile iron. The water main is chlorinated, flushed with clean water, and checked for proper residual chlorine before it is placed in service. Pipes are covered with sand, the trench is filled with clean soil, and a temporary pavement is placed. Workers will place a permanent road after we ensure the soil is properly compacted. Additional work may be required if the sewers also need to be replaced. Each system is at a different location and depth. Our city's water mains deliver 1 billion gallons of water each day. We work on over 100 projects a year, all over the city, to improve and maintain this vital system.